I thought I might do a bonus footage. If you saw the start of the last video where I unboxed these 40 mini discs and it was boring, then you're going to want to skip this one. Just move on to something more interesting. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these into piles based on the type of mini disc they are, or the pack of mini discs they might have come from, and see if they're if they follow a theme. So let's just do this real quick. Now those two I think might have come from a different pack, but we'll put those together anyway. Lots of nice orange ones. I've got a ton of these ones that which I don't use. Not my favourite discs, but I think they're quite popular. Okay, let's further break these down because I think these actually come from different sets. So that's not the same. That's got a different one to that. That's the same. That's the same. That I think came from this set. So that's weird. I might have to look back at my own videos here to figure it out. I'll tell you what I've noticed when I'm going through YouTube, when I've finished watching all my subscription or the channels I subscribe to, I go to the home page where it gives me suggestions, and sometimes I think, oh, that video looks interesting, then realise it's one I've done. And I'm always a bit disappointed, so that's really nice. I like those discs. So yeah, a Recce Whale Song and 12-inch dance mixes. Definitely not the same genre. These I think all came together. 12-inch... is that trance? Yeah, 12-inch dance mixes, similar I suppose. Blank and Jones, no idea. That's relaxation. So yeah, completely. It seems to be completely random. Let's have a look at these ones. Trance. That's probably not trance. Yeah, it's dance music. Vangelis. I might listen to that first actually. Nope, completely different. So on this one we've got vinyl, 12-inch vinyl trance, Sasha, Terry Oldfield, that's Zen. So no, they don't follow any particular pattern. Let's just check these ones over lastly. It's got a few of these. No, they don't follow a pattern either. It seems to be quite random. So once I've gone through these, any discs that I don't like, I'll probably be putting on my putting them up on eBay to sell, and it'll help me raise a little bit of money for other purchases for the channel. So always check the description, and thanks again for watching this tiny little extra video. Thanks.